Move over, humans. While we're stuck with text messages and emojis, elephants are out here holding full conversations with rumbles, seismic signals, and a trunk or two. Who knew these gentle giants were such great communicators? Let's dive into the elephant world where body language means a whole lot more than just a raised eyebrow. The power of rumbles. Low-frequency conversations. When you hear the word elephant, the sound of trumpeting likely comes to mind. However, it's the deep, low-frequency rumbles that carry the most significance. These rumbles, often below the range of human hearing, can travel distances of up to 10 kilometers and are crucial for long-distance communication. Elephants use these sounds to coordinate group movements, signal danger, and even express emotions like excitement or frustration. Rumbles are a form of infrasound, a type of sound that operates at frequencies lower than 20 Hz, making it inaudible to humans. What's fascinating is that these sounds can carry across different landscapes, helping elephants stay connected even when physically separated by kilometers. The primary function of these rumbles is to maintain social cohesion, a critical aspect of elephant life given the complex social structure of their herds. Individual names. Calling each other by name. Just like humans, elephants seem to have names, or at least specific sounds, that identify individuals within the herd. This was demonstrated by research showing that elephants respond to unique vocalizations that refer to them, particularly when played back from recordings. Elephants use these vocal names to call out across distances, especially when separated or trying to locate specific members of their family groups. This discovery highlights the depth of elephant intelligence and social complexity. Their ability to recognize and respond to specific calls shows how important individual identity is within elephant communities. This system is most often observed between mothers and calves, but it also extends to larger social interactions among adults. Seismic communication. Listening with their feet. Elephants are capable of something truly extraordinary. Seismic communication. They can detect and interpret vibrations in the ground, using their sensitive feet to listen to signals that travel through the earth. This method is particularly useful for long-distance communication, as seismic waves travel further than sound waves and are less affected by environmental noise. When an elephant detects a seismic signal, it may freeze, shifting its weight to its larger front feet to increase sensitivity. They also use an enlarged malleus in their ears to capture these vibrations. This system allows elephants to communicate over vast distances, alerting each other to potential threats or coordinating group movements. Seismic communication is especially useful in environments where sound doesn't travel well, such as dense forests or at night. It is also believed to play a role in migration, helping elephants navigate across long distances by picking up vibrations caused by distant weather events or geological activity. Trunk-to-trunk talks. The role of physical touch. Elephant trunks are not only versatile tools for eating and drinking, but they also serve as essential communication devices. Elephants frequently use their trunks to touch each other in a variety of ways, from gentle caresses to assertive pushes. These touches are often seen during grading ceremonies, where elephants entwine trunks as a form of bonding. Trunk touches are particularly important in maintaining social harmony within the herd. For example, a mother will use her trunk to guide and comfort her calf, while adult elephants might touch trunks to show affection or submission. In many ways, this form of communication is similar to how humans use handshakes, hugs, or even gestures to convey meaning. Body language, flapping ears, and powerful postures. Elephants are masters of non-verbal communication. Their body language plays a crucial role in expressing emotions, signaling intentions, and establishing dominance within the herd. One of the most noticeable behaviors is ear flapping, which can indicate excitement, aggression, or even playfulness, depending on the context. When an elephant is angry or feels threatened, it may flap its ears aggressively while adopting a towering posture, raising its head and trunk. On the other hand, slow and deliberate ear movements often signify contentment or greeting. Elephants can also convey submission by lowering their heads and folding their ears back. This body language is especially important in interactions between dominant males and younger, subordinate males. Chemical communication, the language of scent. Elephants' use of chemical communication is essential, particularly during reproduction, where scents play a crucial role in social interactions. These chemical signals, often pheromones, help elephants identify details such as age, health, reproductive status, and emotional state. Released through urine, dung, and secretions from glands near the eyes and feet, these pheromones can travel long distances, enabling elephants to communicate across vast areas. For example, male elephants in muss, a condition of heightened testosterone levels, release powerful pheromones that signal their readiness to mate, alerting both females and rival males. Females, when in estrus, emit their own chemical signals, attracting potential mates from far away, ensuring the continuation of their species while minimizing conflict during the breeding season. This sophisticated system of scent-based communication showcases the depth of elephant interactions, extending far beyond visual or auditory cues. Alarm calls and warning systems. When elephants detect danger, such as a predator or human threat, they use a combination of vocal and seismic signals to raise the alarm. Trumpeting, a loud and high-pitched sound, is often the first indication that an elephant is alerting others to danger. However, they also rely on low-frequency rumbles and seismic vibrations to send warning signals that can travel over longer distances. These alarm calls not only warn other elephants of impending danger, but also trigger defensive behaviors. Herds will cluster together, with the adults forming a protective barrier around the young. In some cases, elephants will flee, using their seismic communication to warn others miles away of the threat. Social structures and communication. Elephant communication is deeply intertwined with their social structures, where matriarchal leadership plays a critical role. Female elephants, who lead the herds, rely on frequent vocalizations, such as rumbles and trumpeting, alongside intricate body language, to keep the herd coordinated and safe, particularly when facing threats or traveling long distances. These matriarchs also use communication to teach and guide younger generations, fostering cooperation within the group. In contrast, male elephants, who typically leave the herd upon reaching maturity, shift to a more solitary or bachelor group lifestyle. Their communication focuses on asserting dominance through deep, resonant rumbles and imposing body postures, crucial during male competition for mates or establishing hierarchies. This contrast between male and female communication styles underscores the distinct societal roles they play, where females emphasize unity and protection, while males concentrate on reproduction and dominance. Greeting ceremonies, a heartfelt reunion. When elephants reunite after a period of separation, their greeting ceremonies are a sight to behold, filled with emotion and significance. These reunions involve a rich combination of sounds and gestures, including loud trumpeting, low-frequency rumbles, and animated ear flapping, all signaling joy and excitement. Trunk touches, a vital part of these ceremonies, convey affection and reassurance, strengthening the bonds between herd members. These reunions are not just about affection, but also play a crucial role in maintaining social order, helping to resolve disputes or reinforce hierarchy within the group. Whether it's reuniting after a short separation or the return of a herd member after an extended absence, these ceremonies highlight the deep emotional intelligence and strong social connections of elephants. Emotional intelligence, the heart of elephant communication. Elephants' communication is driven by their incredible emotional intelligence, making them one of the most socially complex animals on Earth. They express a vast spectrum of emotions, from excitement during joyful moments to deep grief when mourning the loss of a herd member. Elephants have been seen comforting others in distress by gently touching them with their trunks, and their communal celebrations during births include exuberant trumpeting and playful behavior. Their emotional depth allows them to foster powerful social bonds, not just within their own groups, but also with other species, including humans, showcasing their empathetic nature and ability to form cross-species relationships. Elephants are out here communicating in ways that would make us humans jealous. Seismic vibrations, rumbles, and even personalized trunk hugs. If you found this dive into elephant language as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wild facts and mind-blowing animal behavior stories. Stay tuned, because we got plenty more to explore.